This is going to be Rocket Man by Elton John. We're going to have a G minor chord here. So we're going to bar these threes on the 3 bottom strings. We're going to bring this finger over here to get that 5 on top. 5, 3, 3, 3. We're going to go the easiest way, just strum 4 of those. And then we're going to bring in our pinky on the 5th fret of the 2nd string with those other notes. So it ends up being 5, 3, 5, 3. So first we have G minor for 4. And then we bring in the pinky. That's a C7. And then we're back to G minor. C7 again. Now we're going to bring in a new thing, this middle finger on the 2nd string of the 4th fret there. So we're going to end up with 5, 3, 4, 3. That's an E flat chord. Okay, so we're going to have and again. Then we're going to have the E flat 2 times. And then we're going to go to this B flat, 3, 3, and 3. And if you can, mute that bottom one there. Or else you'd have to do this B flat over here. So if you can, mute that bottom string. Doing these 1 finger things can be very helpful. So once again, we have the G minor, C7. Doing that twice. And then the E flat brings in that middle finger 2 times to the B flat, those 3s, and then we're going to go to a C minor, 5, 5, 4, and 3. And then here we're going to go back to a shape that's like that E flat. It's kind of a C minor with a B flat added to it. But let's take a look at that change again. We're going to have this E flat twice to B flat, and then C minor back to like an E flat shape. And then we're going to go F for 8 beats. You can add a little strumming in there. So let's try the verse again. G minor to C7 twice, then E flat 2 beats, B flat 2 beats, C minor 2 beats, back to the E flat shape, and F for 8 beats. So here we go. 3, 4. E flat for 2, B flat, C minor, E flat shape, F for 8. Now if you put a little strumming in there, we got our E flat for 2, B flat, C minor, E flat, F for 8. Now we're going to move to a B flat for the chorus. To E flat, back to B flat, E flat again, B flat, a little quicker there, C, and then E flat, B flat, E flat. Now we're going to start the chorus over again. B flat, E flat, and then we got E flat, B flat quicker to the C, E flat, so it's a lot of those 2 chords. Once you get the hang of it, now we're back to verse. This will be a little bit more pronounced rhythmic thing. E flat, then you got your F. Each part always goes twice. So this is the second half of the second verse. set. Of course, you could just take this easy and just do like one strum at a time for each beat, you know. E flat to B flat, C minor, that E flat shape, without trying to do anything fancy with the strumming. But if you want to add stuff, you know, that'd be like one of those down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. Something like that fits pretty well in this tune. Let's go through a whole set of verse chords, and then we're going to go into that chorus again. So G minor, we can take it real simple with just with downstrokes. 3, 4. C7. And again. Now this E flat here, there's also, you kind of play a simpler one of that if you wanted to. So you could also do a G minor like this, a little easier. But if you can get that one, it makes going to this one kind of cool. And if you can get that one, you kind of can get that one too. So it depends how far you want to go reach with that. So let's try that again. 3, 4. On the E flat, 2 on the B flat, C minor, E flat, F for 8. Now we're going to go to the B flat for the chorus. E flat. It's a lot of these back and forth. Now that goes quicker here to the C. Back to E flat, B flat, back to E flat again. And let's hit that final chorus. Be a long, long time. You got a lot of B flat and E flat. There you go, 2 beats each, down to the C, Rocket Man, and then E flat. Flat again, E flat, and then we're going to start the whole chorus again with a B flat, E flat, now we're going to have 2 beats each, B flat, going to C, Rocket Man, E flat, Rocket Man, B flat. So you just got to figure out where to land your E flats and B flats. Now this next time, it's going to repeat chorus. So the first couple times it goes back to the verse thing, that G minor. So that's basically Rocket Man, y'all. You got G minor, C7, G minor, C7, and you got E flat, which is 5, 3, 4, 3. 2 beats to the B flat, 3, 3, 3. C minor, 5, 5, 4, 3, and back to that kind of E flat shape, and then F, and then when you get to the chorus, you got B flat, E flat. You can get those shapes together, helps out a lot. You can go really back, just kind of mute that one on the B flat or the bottom one, and then going to the C is no problem there. Okay, Rocket Man, Elton John, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you soon. Thanks a lot.